Are you looking to strengthen your thesis statements? In this video, I'll walk you through 3 steps that will allow you to develop a strong thesis statement. If this is the first time you're watching one of my explainers, I'm Dr. D, a global health practitioner and academic. Firstly, what is a thesis statement? In simple terms, it's a statement usually 1 to 2 sentences long that highlights the main argument or claim of an essay. It typically appears at the end of an introduction paragraph. The sentences that precede it provide some context. However, this is not a rule. It may appear at the start of an introduction to grab the reader's attention. This is a much more direct approach. A strong thesis statement prevents you from going off topic. Each body paragraph that then appears in your essay should have a clear point supporting and developing your thesis by providing evidence. To hear more about how to use evidence in your body paragraphs to support your thesis, visit my last video, How to Write an Essay Fast. The link will be in the description below. If you're finding this video helpful so far, please hit the like button. The first step in creating a strong thesis statement is understanding the topic or question of your essay. The second step is deciding your position on the topic or question. This will give you an initial thesis statement. Note that your position may change as you draft the remainder of your essay, so your thesis statement is fluid at this stage. However, the more solid your position at this stage, the less redrafting you must do of your essay at a later stage. The last step is developing and refining the statement. You should summarize the evidence that you will use to support your argument or claim in the thesis statement. Let's use an example. How is imagery used in this poem to suggest the impact of nature? In Ted Hughes' poem Wind, the sheer force of nature and its effects on surrounding elements are presented. Throughout the poem, wind is personified to highlight the danger and havoc nature can bring upon humanity and landscapes. In the first half of the poem, Hughes introduces the impact of wind upon natural elements such as the woods and wildlife. In the second part of the poem, clearly signified by the Volta now, the focus shifts, exploring the effects of nature on humanity. This poem explores the idea of nature possibly being of higher stature and power than mankind, in the way that it generates fear but can also bring people together. The last sentence is a thesis statement. The statement suggests that the writer understands the question, as it refers to the impact of nature. The statement clearly and concisely communicates the writer's line of argument or claim. Lastly, the statement is developed as the writer presents how imagery is used to present the impact of nature. Well, that's it. You now have the basics on how to write a strong thesis statement. I have linked below to a guide I found really useful when writing a thesis statement. Do go ahead and check it out. Finally, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you.